Gone. A bit of a walk. Now we're going to duck down behind this rock here. We should be pretty much out of the wind. There. Not so bad down there. Oh, snow's a bit deep. So I'm going to attempt to walk out to the end, but a little bit further. I'm not so much worried about the wind catching me and taking me out into the ocean. Just worried about catching me and blowing me over on these rocks. Ah, it's actually quite a nice day down behind these rocks. So we're going to go around now and have a look at where the waves are breaking towards the end of the beamer. So what we got going on here is the wind is actually blowing from the west to the east, so it's blowing out to sea. But the swell is of course coming into land. So the big waves are breaking on the shoreline, and then the tops of them are getting blown back out to sea. You can see all the white caps blowing away from the land. We're actually in a fairly sheltered spot here, and I don't think I'm going to go much further out because we lose the shelter. Yeah, here comes another good gust of wind, I think. There you go. going to be a real treat. Get down low before I actually get to the edge. I don't want to go over. Right, I can make myself in. In case you're wondering, I literally am standing in a crack, so I don't go over the edge. Okay, right now we're on the south facing side of the beamer where it's relatively sheltered, but I'm going to take a walk now up to the top of the beamer where we'll be fully exposed to this westerly wind that we're having. See how it goes.